Welcome to Make It Easy. If you are a mushroom lover, then this incredible mushroom pizza recipe is just for you. My rendition of this mushroom pizza is different from the original, but it tastes fantastic. This white mushroom pizza is a baked perfection. I have made one with the red sauce too. To check out both the recipes, watch this video till the end. In a mixing bowl, I have taken here 2 cups of maida, all-purpose flour, add salt to taste, I'm adding 1.5 teaspoons of sugar, now 1 teaspoon of dry yeast, give it a good mix. Gradually add lukewarm water to this, 1 cup, and keep mixing in between to form a dough. You have to knead this dough properly for 7 to 8 minutes. Apply some oil on the top. Let it rest for 1 hour. For mushroom toppings, I have taken button mushrooms here and I am slicing them. Now in a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter. I've used unsalted butter here. You can use salted one also. Now add the mushrooms to this butter. Here I'm adding 1/4 teaspoon, almost a pinch of rosemary and 1/4 teaspoon of thyme and almost 1 teaspoon of oregano, dried oregano. I'm using dried herbs. If you have fresh herbs, you can use them also. Now saute the mushrooms till they leave water. Now as the water has started leaving, our topping is ready. Take out the mushroom topping in a separate bowl. And keep aside. Now in the same pan, I'm adding 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and to this I'm adding 1 teaspoon of all-purpose flour or maida. I'll slightly cook this. Now I'm adding 1 cup of milk, but I'll gradually add this milk. And I'm stirring in between so that the sauce thickens equally and no lumps are formed. Now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder and salt to taste because I had used unsalted butter. I have added here 1 teaspoon of chili flakes, red chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of oregano, dried oregano, and 1 teaspoon of mixed herbs seasoning. Mix it well, and the sauce has thickened, so I will switch off the flame because the sauce is ready now. Let's keep this aside till it cools down a bit, and till then we'll check on our dough. Okay, so after 1 hour almost the dough has risen, and now I will divide it into 2 equal portions, and I'm gonna make 2 pizza out of this. So take 1 portion and now roll it out using a rolling pin or using your hands. I'm doing it manually. So this is my pizza base, and for the white mushroom pizza I'm just spreading the white sauce we have prepared over this pizza base. And don't forget to prick the pizza base so that it doesn't rise while baking. So here I have spread the sauce evenly. Now I'm adding some cheese onto this. This cheese here, it's a blend of mozzarella and cheddar. You can use mozzarella cheese as well, but I think this blend gives a superb taste to the pizza. Now I have spread the toppings. I'm adding some olives, these are optional. Now bake the pizza at the highest temperature of your oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Mine is 200, so I have baked it at 200. And here I have prepared the second portion with the red sauce, the recipe of which is given in the I button above. And this one I'll be preparing in the tawa. I have preheated the tawa till it's become super hot, and now I have placed the pizza into this tawa and covered it with a lid. I have simmered the flame of the gas, and I'll cook this for 4 to 5 minutes till the cheese melts. And the cheese has started melting. So my pizza is done, and it's come out absolutely stunning. And meanwhile, this is the white sauce mushroom pizza that has just come out of the oven. Isn't it incredible? And I can vouch it tastes amazing and you're gonna love it. So give these recipes a try and let me know your valuable feedback in the comment section below. And for more exciting recipes, don't forget to visit Make It Easy Kashmir again.